Hey guys, welcome back to Dwood Reviews. I want to go over these new microfiber reusable towels that I just got off Amazon. These are going to work great in my shop, in the kitchen, and cleaning other items like cleaning my car out and things like that. If you like videos like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Doesn't cost you anything, but helps me out a lot. What I really like about these is they're lint-free. They're super absorbent. You can use them indoor or outdoor. They're a microfiber that's soft on both sides. It's kind of like a rag that you'd have in your house that you can clean with. And they are washable up to 50 times. What I like about this is they come on a roll and you can simply tear one off just like a regular paper towel, just like that, and you've got yourself a towel. These are great for working around the shop or in the garage on your car or cleaning your car. Also, they're really great for the kitchen. I find these to be extremely valuable, especially at the price point that they are. You can have these sitting right on your counter in your kitchen, tear one off and use it, and if it gets stained, so what? And when one gets dirty and nasty where you don't want to use it in the house anymore, wash it, and then take it out to the shop or the garage. Throw it in the car to use for checking your oil. If you like these, go ahead and click on the link down in the description below.